Your Ford Escape air conditioning is blowing hot air right when you need it most, but a simple $20 AC compressor relay is often the exact culprit. Before you spend hundreds at a repair shop or buy expensive refrigerant, swapping out this small electrical cube in your fuse box is the smartest first step. The AC compressor relay acts as the main power switch that tells your compressor to kick on. When this relay fails from normal wear and tear, the compressor clutch never engages, leaving your system pumping nothing but warm, unconditioned air into the cabin. Locating this part on your 2021 to 2026 Escape is straightforward. Pop the hood and locate the primary power distribution box, usually positioned near the battery on the driver's side of the engine bay. Unclip the plastic cover and look at the diagram printed on the underside to find the exact position of the AC clutch relay. A fast way to verify if the relay is the actual problem is to swap it with an identical, non-essential relay from the same fuse box, like the horn relay. If you plug the horn relay into the AC slot and the compressor suddenly clicks on and blows ice-cold air, you have found your problem. You can pick up a replacement relay at any local auto parts store or online for about $20. Just align the metal pins on the new unit with the slots in the fuse box and push it firmly down until it seats perfectly. Put the fuse box cover back on, start your engine, and enjoy the freezing cold air again.